Hello to everyone. A few days ago, I published a video comparing Turkish and Chinese paper cup machines. Some viewers asked, why don't you mention the companies by name? How many Turkish manufacturers are there anyway? So in this video, I'll be more direct and compare Yavuz Makine with Chinese paper cup machinery manufacturers. In reality, this comparison represents two different approaches that are frequently discussed in the premium segment of our industry. Normally, such comparisons focus on production speed, servo systems, or technical specifications. But in my opinion, the biggest difference isn't inside the machine. It's in how the machine is presented and what kind of value is offered to the customer. When you visit the websites of Chinese manufacturers, the first thing you notice isn't a technical specification sheet. Instead, you see concepts like smart factory, Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing, servo motion control, and full automation. Before you even learn about the machine itself, you're given the impression that you're investing in the future of manufacturing. That creates a strong perception in the customer's mind. Every technical specification that follows is then evaluated through that perception. To me, this is the greatest strength of Chinese manufacturers. They don't sell the machine first. They sell the idea behind the machine. We see the same principle in everyday life. Imagine ordering coffee in two different cafes. One menu simply says, filter coffee. The other says, specially brewed filter coffee made from carefully selected single-origin beans. The coffee may not be dramatically different, but from the very first sentence, you begin to expect a higher quality product. That's because purchasing decisions are influenced not only by the product itself but also by the way it is presented. Yavuz Makine follows a different approach. Its communication is simpler and more direct. Instead of emphasizing broad concepts, it focuses on production capacity, engineering, after-sales service, spare parts availability, and manufacturing experience. The objective isn't to create a powerful marketing narrative but to demonstrate how the machine performs in real production conditions. It reminds me of engineering-driven technology companies. Some brands sell a vision first and the product second. Others let the product speak for itself. Another interesting difference appears in the way new technologies are presented. In recent years, many Chinese manufacturers have highlighted compatibility with water-based barrier coatings, PLA-coated paperboard, and sustainable production solutions. As someone who closely follows the paper industry, I consider these developments very important. However, there is a difference between introducing a technology in a catalog and proving that it can be used consistently in industrial production. PLA-coated paperboard is still not widely available in many markets, and raw material quality varies considerably. For that reason, some manufacturers make these technologies a central part of their marketing, while others prefer to wait until long-term production tests have confirmed consistent performance. Looking only at publicly available technical information, both Chinese manufacturers and Yavuz Makine offer high-speed machines, servo-controlled systems, and modern automation technologies. Naturally, there are technical differences from one model to another. But overall, I believe the greatest strength of Chinese manufacturers lies in their global branding and marketing strategy. Yavuz Makine's strongest advantages are its manufacturing experience, after-sales support, spare parts availability, and logistical proximity to customers in Europe, the Balkans, the Middle East, and neighboring regions. Explaining the success of Chinese machinery only through technical specifications would be incomplete. These companies have spent years investing in communication, branding, and international marketing. Yavuz Makine, on the other hand, has focused on engineering capability, customer support, and long-term relationships. Rather than representing two completely opposite philosophies, they demonstrate two different competitive strategies. Ultimately, choosing a paper cup machine should never depend only on technical specifications or marketing claims. The real value of a machine lies in its production performance, service quality, engineering support, spare parts availability, and the confidence the manufacturer provides over many years. Because the best investment isn't simply buying a machine. See you in the next video.